gonna jump right into this. So look, if you like this content, leave a like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. I've been talking about this blue ring. I said as long as we're before this blue ring, expect price to continue down. At any point we cross this blue ring, expect us to get a pump with the markets, with Bitcoin, and for the dollar to start dropping. You can see that's exactly what happened. I've been talking about this for the past 4 videos. This is a video I put up 12 days ago saying Bitcoin could push up to 22K. I explain why. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. This was a ring. I said as soon as we cross it, expect a pump. You can see what happened. This is published on December 26th. I hit play. You can see we crossed that ring and we pushed up. Guys, I give you points to long and short based on rings. Nobody else offers this. I have a unique method of charting I came up with that allows us to find points to long and short just when you cross a ring. By the way, guys, I'm creating all new charts. I already promised my subscribers this. The first chart I'll be creating is going to be for Ethereum, all of the top altcoins, that top market cap altcoins, as well as new stocks. I just want to show you, this is the chart, guys. We cross that ring. As I said, we would pump. We've already pushed up almost 6%. Now, this is on the weekly, guys. And this chart, what you just saw happened on this ring here, this right here is a smaller version of what's about to play out with this ring. I told you this was the start of the suckers rally, and you can see we just crossed it and we're pushing up. I'm going to give you key support resistance levels. I'm going to show you where I'm going to be going in a heavy ass short, how high this could push up. It's based on the M1 chart. If you want to get access to these charts, guys, specifically this chart, to know when to short, you can sign up. $49 a month gives you access to the charts, Discord, and Twitter. I have tutorials teaching my charting method. I'm still in my long. Guys, I told you that when we crossed that ring, we were going to pump. That's why I stayed in my long. You can see I'm currently way in profit. And again, if you want to sign up for BitGet, my link's pinned first comment description. And by the way, guys, one thing that irks me so bad is I'll see these YouTubers saying, hey, use my link and get an $8,000 bonus, or use this link and get a $30,000 bonus. What they fail to tell you is for you to take advantage of that bonus, you have to deposit like $200,000, $500,000. Most people do not have that money to deposit. So they're misleading you, making you think, oh, as soon as you sign up, you're going to get all this money. That shows you how dishonest some of these YouTubers are. The only reason I'm promoting and using BitGet is because they have proof of reserves. That means if something catastrophic happened, or some kind of bank run, your money will be there to take out. I trust BitGet. That's why I use them. So again, if you want to sign up, my link's pinned in the first comment description. Guys, we played the ring. Everybody went long. 73% profit, 104% profit, 36%, 22%. I couldn't chart for my life depended on it, but I don't have to because I follow Steve. Many thanks, boss. You're welcome, Crypto Surfer. So again, I'm expecting a lot of upside. I'm going to show you where to go on that heavy short. That is on this chart here, the M1 chart. I made a video about this. I talked about this in April. I said, when we make contact with this line, I did not know what price it would be when we made contact, but I said, as soon as you hit this line, to go in and short. We all shorted this. Look how this played out. That was one epic ass short, and you had another point to short here. This is the next line. As I said, each one of these lines, when you hit it, you short, 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 you hit it, you short. This is the next line. When we hit this line, we're going to top out and come crashing down. That's why I'm going to do an epic ass short. I'm talking about 70x, about 4K. I know when we hit this line, we're going to drop. This is a suckers rally I've been calling for the past 4 videos. This is the chart right here, guys. This is a live chart. I think this is the highest we can push up. I do not know when we'll make contact, but when we make contact with this line, that's why I'm going in a heavy ass short. So if you want to have access to this chart, sign up and get access. The link's pinned in the first comment description. I talked about the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. I said you probably want to go long just based on one damn ring on a Bitcoin chart. Told me that the markets were going to push up, as well as Bitcoin. And I gave your next resistance. I'll put a link in this video now if you want to check it out. So your next resistance for the Dow was 33,662. And look where we pushed up to. Right here. Look where this candle stopped. We pushed all the way up to this ring and stopped right at this point. Next candle opened above this ring. So now we're bullish up to 34,186. Again, I keep everybody updated in Discord hourly. If you do sign up, you get access to Discord as well. So DXY needs to get rejected here for us to get more upside for Bitcoin. So I'm not just giving you Bitcoin charts or Bitcoin analysis. I'm using other charts to help you know what price is going to do. We had a ring. We knew that every time we cross it in that fib circle, we always pump. And I showed that, look, the DXY at 105.4 54. This is a point for the DXY to get rejected. DXY down, Bitcoin up. So if the DXY gets rejected here, Bitcoin's going to push up. And look what happened. We got rejected right at this point, and the dollar is crashing. Bitcoin is pushing up. I tried to explain in that last video. This video here, I explained to you why I was expecting upside. Trying to make you understand why we would pump after we cross that ring. Not only that, I'm giving you my prediction of what I'm expecting the CPI data to be when it comes out. This is my CPI chart. This actually nailed the top at 9.15. The next possible points that will come down to when they release the CPI data is going to be either 6.76. Write these down. 6.76. The lower we go, the more bullish for the markets. That's what I'm saying. We have a lot more upside. So 6.76. If it's below that, it'll be 6.19. And if it's below that, which would be super bullish for the markets, it's around 5.33. So remember those numbers. I'll come back after the CPI data is released, and we'll see what happens. So before I give you the before I show you the M1 chart, your most key resistance right now to pay attention to, this is the weekly chart. Let me just give you these price levels real quick. So look, if we do push up, the first point you might want to take profit. I'm probably going to keep my long open, but I will open a short around 18,000. Well, it depends when you make contact. This is on the weekly, guys. So I'll probably open a short around 18,500, but I will keep my long open. When we come back down, I'll take profit on my short, but I do think it's likely we will break above 18,500. That will hold a support and we'll push up to the M1 line. And again, that M1 line is up here, okay? It's pointless for me giving you the price because I don't know where I'm going to make contact. I just know every time we hit that line, one of these lines is the fib channel, we get rejected. So this is where I'm going in on my short. I can tell you right now, your next resistance to watch is 17,500. Your current support, if you're in a long, have your stop below 17,140. That is your critical support right now. Your next resistance, 17,500. If you push above that, your resistance above is going to be around 17,900 to 18,000. That is in confluence with the G1 chart, 17,400, and up here is around 17,000, well, 18,000. There's your next resistance levels, but again, I think we have a lot more upside, and I just showed you this chart, guys. This is all you really need. This one chart tells you where to short. Every time you hit one of these lines in this fib channel, you short. So if we continue up, all right, that is where you are going to short. That is where I'm going to short. Whenever we make contact, if we push straight up, we make contact here. If it goes kind of sideways and up, it'll be here. If we just go sideways, it'll be here. But when we make contact with this line, this is where I'm going in a heavy short. And this is where I'm going to be longing to as well. Again, guys, if you want to sign up for Big Get, links pinned in the first comment description. If you want to get access to the charts, Discord and Twitter, it's $49 a month. If you want to pay with USDT, you can. But you need to email me through the website. And if you want to learn my method of charting, it's $2.99. Guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.